Hey guys, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel once again. Today we are working on a 20-inch round and we're going to be doing a split base on this round canvas. It's going to be fun. I have secured my canvas with some push pins on the bottom so we can ensure that it's nice and level and it's going to be very sturdy on my table. So I just love round canvases. You can hang round canvases in so many different directions. So that's what I love about round canvases. We're going to be working with kind of a peacock color palette today. We've got some violet purple, a light glacier blue, an iridescent purple. I've got a blue-green. This is a light kind of lime green. I think it's Arteza lime green. And a gold, iridescent gold. So we've got some shimmer going on. We've got some good contrast with my color palette today. Very kind of peacock colors, like I said, so I really think it's going to look super pretty. We're going to be working with two different color grays for my split palette, both using the house interior paint. I have a very light mixture, kind of a silver gray here. I took my white house interior paint and I tinted it with the same color as this is a deep blue gray. So on the same tones, but just in a very much lighter shade. So the two of these mixed together, I think with that color palette are gonna look really, really pretty. So I am going to kind of do a split in like kind of a half moon type. Stay tuned, I will start flooding the canvas right now. We'll see how this works. Maybe a little bit more. There. Kind of like that. We'll just flood this area with this paint. Start off by laying out my design. I'm looking at doing some of this rich violet purple. I have not done this design before, so we're just going to play. I love this rich violet purple though. Oh, it's so pretty. I will be doing the Botanical Dutch Pour technique to this piece, if I haven't already said that. Now some of this iridescent purple. This is a kind of a blue-green iridescent. This is just a very light lime green. I haven't used this combination before, so I'm very interested in what this will look like. Looking cool so far. I do see a bubble I want to get right away. It's that big bubble. Just pop that guy. And now, with a little bit of gold. Gold just, for me, it just gives it that little bit of bling that I think things need sometimes. But wow, this looks good so far. The colors are looking good. I can usually tell when it's laid out, so yeah, like a starfish right now. But it looks really cool. I'm gonna get right into it and blow this out. Look at her, guys. She's so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. Wow. Look at those colors together. And the way it blew out is, once I put that botanical technique to it, it's really going to be striking. I hope she dries so beautiful. That gray and the light gray. Now this side does look white, but it is a light gray. It gives it a little bit more depth to it. I just think she looks so pretty. On to some more fun. Starting right here. Sometimes this is the hardest part, is to get this started and what it might look like. Got the center. It really looks like a flower right now. Loving it so far. Sometimes you just like have to go, wow, right? Do you guys ever do that? You just go, wow. And having it on a round canvas just like gives it just a different look and feel. These colors, while they look like peacock colors, it just says, bring on the spring. That's what it looks like to me. Oh my goodness. Give me some spring. I like to do these outer petals first. Some of this design, there's a petal within a petal. I'll show a close-up at the very end, but wow, really turned out gorgeous. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with this dark purple, violet purple right in the middle. Hey guys, I'm back and I wanted to bring you in for a closer look at this beautiful pour. This Botanical Dutch Pour is something that I am super proud of. I think she turned out just gorgeous. The color combination and the designs within the design is just really stunning. Lots of beautiful cells happening. Guys, I think she just turned out so pretty. I'm gonna let this dry before I touch up the center again, but I'm super proud of this one. I think she turned out gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think also.